Interica are a global business focused on best-in-class data management software solutions for the E&P sector. Our technology is deployed by many of the world's leading oil and gas companies. Simon from Interica and Dimitri from AWS will explain more.
Hello, I'm Simon Kendall, CEO of Interica.
Hello, my name is Dimitri. I'm the Partner Technical Lead in Energy Vertical of AWS Partner Network.
In our previous video, we demonstrated how Interica OneView running on AWS helps you discover and analyze your data. Now we will focus on how you can integrate, migrate, and archive the projects and underlying data both in the OSDU data platform as well as the on-premise environment. These workflows include the ways Interica OneView manages and protects the data landscapes left on-premise after a migration process. I am pleased to welcome Dmitry Tishkin to tell you more about the AWS architecture, its integration with Interica OneView, and the ability to write data to the different tiers of AWS.
Thank you, Simon. I want to talk about how AWS Cloud with Interica OneView and OSDU helps fuel the digital transformation of the industry by specifically concentrating on data. Three processes, integration, migration, and archive, are critical parts of your data lifecycle. Migration opens up cloud doors. Integration helps build highly customized workflows and ecosystem, and archive helps with preserving data and satisfy compliance requirements. Typical upstream dataset size is usually upward of several petabytes, so migration doesn't happen overnight. It takes days and sometimes months. While performing migration, it's a good time to check quality, catalog, and inspect the data. With the help of OneView and OSDU, cataloging of data makes it discoverable and searchable, thus making people more efficient by spending less time searching. Migration of terabytes of data is not feasible via internet. For that reason, Snowball Edge device can securely move your data from on-premise data center to the cloud, where it is stored in a simple storage service S3 with high durability, redundancy, and protection. S3 stores data on across multiple devices in a minimum of 3 data centers. And the best part, it is all integrated with OneView and OSDU ingestion. Once your data is securely stored and cataloged, you can start value-add workflows powered by integrations. Energy applications such as mapping, seismic interpretation, drilling, reservoir modeling, and many more can run in the cloud and integrate with OSDU and OneView via open APIs. You can build powerful dashboards using QuickSight, business intelligence tool that augments and extends functionality of these applications. Eventually, you have an open and maintainable ecosystem of integrated applications. Archiving is powered by the same S3 service that stores data. Tiered storage allows you to save cost and separate data that is not needed today, and this cost savings could be significant when we are talking about seismic data in a several number of petabytes. Security and protection is job number 0 at AWS, and we recommend the same approach. In S3, your data is protected by multiple mechanisms such as versioning, backup, and encryption at rest. Data discoverability, accessibility, and security paves the way to a faster, successful machine learning and artificial intelligence projects, because developers, domain specialists, and data scientists will have data they need at their fingertips.
In the first video in the series, we demonstrated how through using Interica OneView, users can discover and analyze their petrotechnical datasets across a range of diverse data sources, including the OSDU data platform and most industry-leading petrotechnical applications. We also showed the power of integrating with tools such as AWS QuickSight for business intelligence. This type of integration is possible as Interica OneView has extensive open RESTful APIs that are extremely powerful and can enable both consumption of metadata along with execution of actions. By using Postman or an alternative, we can connect to an IOV instance running in AWS. And once authorized, query the information directly. In this example, I want to see all of the available wells in my OSDU data platform along with the same wells in my Petrel, Kingdom, and Paleoscan projects. I can now list all of the available curves for my wells of interest. A great example of powerful data aggregation from a single set of APIs. Data migration and archiving can be managed through the IOV PARS interface. In this example, we can configure an S3 endpoint by going to Administration and then S3 Endpoints. Here, I can select my endpoint name, security details, and then select the appropriate storage tier. For S3, this can be Standard, Glacier, or Glacier Deep Archive. Each tier offers specific benefits. For more active data, Standard may be preferential, while for very cold, inactive data sets, Deep Archive offers significant cost-saving opportunities for long-term storage. With my endpoint set up, I can add a destination and select a bucket to move the data to. For archiving, I can also add a retention period. Now let's move some data into the S3 storage tier. By selecting Automated Jobs, I can create a job, and in this example, I'm going to archive my Petrel projects. So I give the job a name, select Petrel, select the catalog and archive set I want to organize these projects under, and I can choose to follow links, in other words, include reference seismics, or even automatically delete the data from source after it's been archived. I need to select a rule. The automated jobs can be based on a listing or various metadata attributes, such as age, content, location, size, etc. In this example, I just want any Petrel project that contains the name Volve. I can then go ahead and add any mandatory or optional metadata. I select OK, and the job is complete. Now I can preview the job to understand what and how much data will be archived. There are 2 projects selected, about 12 gigs in size. That's perfect. These are the ones I wanted to archive. Next, I go to the Scheduler screen and I can run this job now or leave to run tonight. Checking the log, everything has now been archived to S3, streamed directly through the internet. Reviewing the archived data in OneView, I can see the objects and explore the content, including 2D, 3D, seismic volumes, well tops, logs, curves, and interpretation. And I can even compare with my live data in AWS and the OSDU data platform. When considering migrating to the OSDU data platform, Interica OneView can help identify key datasets to migrate, clean up legacy environments post-migration, and support the creation of a more refined and meaningful work environment. Through Interica OneView, users have single pane of glass visibility across all sources of data. In the first video in this series, we described how users can leverage Interica OneView for discovery of petrotechnical data stored in a variety of storage environments and now extended to support the OSDU data platform alongside data stored in other environments. Single pane of glass analysis of data across multiple locations, applications, and formats, enabling users to gain insight from the full wealth of information available. And integration with AWS QuickSight. In this second video, we have summarized further integration with third-party tools through open RESTful APIs, migration of data between different storage environments, and archival of data to low-cost and scalable S3 storage tiers to ensure it is protected and indexed for future reference and retrieval. To find out more about how Interica OneView can help your business, please contact us at info@interica.com. Thank you.